Hello, hello, hello. Today is Thursday, August 15, 2024. It's early in the morning for me. Problem 209. High school problem. It's about a physical pendulum. I cover physical pendulums in great detail in my 801 lectures. A solid sphere, radius r, mass m, is attached to a massless string of length L. Massless always means that you can ignore it, of course, as shown below. Thus the length of the pendulum is L plus R. And here is the question: what is the frequency omega of this pendulum for small angle approximation? Now, if you don't remember that you got this covered in high school, at least make an effort to watch my 801 lectures in which I cover physical pendulums. If you don't want to do that, it is really your problem. On the other hand, if I don't get at least 25 correct solutions, I seriously may consider to perhaps stop problems altogether, or maybe only one problem per month. Keith Norman always does the solutions, which takes a lot of time for him. I select the problems and I write them up, which also for me takes more time than you may think, particularly the selection. The selection of a problem could take me more than 10 hours. So give this some thought. Keith and I put in a lot of effort. If you are not willing to put at least in some effort, which would mean to watch my lectures on physical pendulums, yes, Keith and I may decide to stop, or maybe only one problem per month. Apart from all this, whether we stop or whether we don't stop, of course, we will always be friends. That's always a given.